Here is Shortmax app. Watch dramas and show original dramas, hit reels. So this is a new growing app if you like this short vertical movies and shows and series. Welcome to the exciting world of Shortmax, your personal hub for all kinds of engaging short dramas. Step into the realm of Shortmax, where an array of engaging short dramas and movies awaits your exploration. So miniature dramas. So let's just tap into it and see how it looks like. So here is you can just receive a lot of free coins and bonuses just by checking in every day. And so that's basically the idea. You can just tap on the movie and then you can start watching. It kind of looks like TikTok. In the bottom right, you can change the speed, you can change the quality. So that's basically the idea. Then you also have just really shorts, and then you have your collection, and then you have your profile. So that's what it is. Then there are rewards, which you can just do for daily check-in, and then just do the daily check-in and earn rewards here. And then also you can just watch ads and earn additional bonuses. So that's basically the idea. That's the app. There are so many apps in this category. There's like Drama Box. There's like so many. So this is just one of the most popular ones. So if you just go to like entertainment category, you can see a bunch of those, like Drama Box, Real Short, and then there's Shortmax. So you just try what you like. So that's about that.